Wishy, Washy washing machine. Written and illustrated by John Madison Meatley. In a quiet town, young Sam lived with his older brother Bryce, who often treated him unkindly. Sam desperately wanted to fit in with Bryce and his friends, but his attempts only earned him ridicule. One chilling Halloween, Bryce saw an opportunity to both prank and get rid of Sam. He handed him a laundry bag full of dirty clothes and told him to take it to the notorious haunted laundromat up the road. Sam was scared, but wanted to prove himself, so he set out with his laundry bag. The sinister stories about the haunted washing machine echoing in his mind. As Sam entered